In today's video, we're going to walk through how to back up and restore your data in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is a crucial step to protect your business from accidental mistakes, system errors, or data loss. First, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you don't have access to the backup feature, you may need to upgrade your plan or use the QuickBooks Online Backup and Restore app. This app allows you to continuously and automatically save your company data, so you can easily restore it whenever needed. To start backing up your company, head to the Settings menu and select the Backup option. From here, you can choose between different types of backups like incremental, full, or complete. QuickBooks automatically tracks changes in your data, but you can also create manual backups whenever you want. Restoring your data is simple. Select the backup you want to use and choose the Restore option. QuickBooks lets you pick a specific point in time, so you can roll back before a mistaken transaction, unwanted change, or deleted entry. You can also add notes to keep track of your backups for reference. Remember, while QuickBooks is restoring your data, it's important not to make any changes until the process is finished. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation checkmark, and your company data will be safe and ready to use again. Regularly scheduling backups gives you peace of mind, ensuring your financial information is always protected and up to date. And if you ever run into issues, QuickBooks provides support options to help guide you through the process. And that's how you back up and restore your data in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.